Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm gonna be doing this look. It's kind of like a winter look theme. I don't know. um I was actually gonna do some reds, but since I was wearing the sweater, I was like, I'm not gonna go red with blue, or like blue, I don't know, turquoise, whatever color. So that's why I decided to do this, another blue, another turquoise look. I don't want to go too dramatic, so that's why I decided to do like no eyeliner, something simple on the face. So if you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. So let's get into the tutorial. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Caramel. And to clean the eyebrow, I'm going to be using the MAC NC35 Concealer. And I'm just going to place it on top of the eyebrow and on the bottom of the eyebrow just to clean both sides. So now on my crease, I'm going to be grabbing Snapdragon from ColourPop, and I'm just going to place that on the crease with circular motions, and I'm just going to blend really lightly because I don't want this color to move from the crease. Now I'm going to grab the Sulu palette by Juvia, and I'm going to grab this turquoise color, and I'm going to place it on the crease just to give the crease more of the definition. I don't know if you can tell how this color is a little bit darker than my previous color. And this color is also going to go just in the crease. We don't want to blend it upwards. So now we're going to grab this brown shade from the BH Cosmetics Modern Mates 28 eyeshadow palette, and we're going to place this shadow on the crease, and we're going to blend both colors together to remove all the harsh lines and get a better blending. In this color, since it's a transition color, it's okay to blend all the way up to the brow bone. So now for my lid, I'm going to be using Liberty from ColourPop, and I'm just going to blend it into the lid just like this. So now we're going to grab this blue, and we're going to place it on the crease and on the outer corner and inner corner of the eye, just to give the eye more of a blue effect. And we're just adding a little bit of blue just because I also want that turquoise color to pop out as well. So for my waterline, I'm going to be using this champagne color from LA Girl Cosmetics. I prefer a champagne color over a white color just because the champagne color, your eye looks more natural, more fuller. And with the white pencil, it looks too dramatic on the waterline. So for lashes, I'm going to be using the Buy from the Makeup Shack. The best way to apply a lash is by letting the glue dry, because if you try to work while the glue is still wet, you are gonna get glue on the lid, and it's gonna be really hard for you to remove it. Well, sometimes, and then sometimes it's easy. It just depends, you know. Sometimes you can mess up your whole lid, and then sometimes you won't. So I just try to avoid that. So to prime my face, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. It's 4-in-1. It primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects skin. So that's a plus. And it was my first time using it, and I loved it. I purchased it at CVS. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. By the way, I'm already out. I have to go purchase the new one. And what I did, I just added like 3 drops on my palm, and with the brush, I'm just blending it really lightly with circular motions all around the face. So now to set my foundation, I'm going to be using this palette, and I got it when I was attending school at my Beauty Mark Makeup Academy, and I'm going to be using this shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over the face. This will help lock your foundation, and it will keep your foundation from creasing. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using this light shade. This palette is from Makeup Forever. It's actually a foundation palette, which I'm going to be using for highlight today. I mean, who said makeup is just a sign for one thing? You can use makeup for basically anything on the face. And remember, for those of you that don't know or are new at makeup, to highlight the face, it's always 2 shades lighter than your actual skin. And to contour your face, it's always 3 shades darker than your actual skin color. And this time I'm going to be using a brush instead of a beauty blender to blend all the highlight. So So as you saw, I'm not gonna contour my face. I'm gonna be bronzing it instead, since my face look, it's a little bit lighter. And the bronzers that we're gonna be using are the MAC bronzing powder in the shade Golden, and I'm just gonna place it everywhere where you have to contour. For my second, I'm also gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep. This will help give more definition to the contour, and it's gonna define my cheeks a little bit more. So now to set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye Banana Powder, and I'm just going to set it. Some people like to bake, but I don't. I don't like to look too cakey on the face. That's why I'm going to just set it. And I use the banana powder because my skin is more of a yellow tone. But if your skin is more of a white tone, I suggest you use a white setting powder. So now for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express. I've been using this mascara for years, and I'm still in love with it. It's my favorite. Now I'm removing all the extra setting powder that we had on the face. Like I said, I don't like to look too cakey. Now to highlight, I'm gonna be using the Daisy Danger highlighting palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna highlight the apples of the cheek, my cheekbones, and my nose. And look how beautiful that highlight looks. It's just amazing. So now for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade 1995. Now with the brush, we're just gonna highlight all the outer areas of the lips. Well, this is it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So if you have any questions, make sure to know in the comments down below, and I'll answer them as, as soon as I can.